Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get and use the Smith Pet Treat in Grow Garden game of Roblox new smithing update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Smith Pet Treat looks like. And before I show you how we can use this item, I'm going to show you how you can get the Smith Pet Treat. Okay, you can craft this item right here guys on the gears section. Okay, and I'm going to click on select recipe, and these are the items you will need to craft the Smith Pet Treat. You will need common coal, rare coal, small treat, and also 4 million shekels. And let me click on the information. It can give your pet a large boost to their XP over time. Okay, and I'm going to apply it to one of my pets. Wait, these are my active pets, and I'm going to apply it to my this one, to my wait, let me think, to my spectre. Okay, let's apply it to the spectre. Oops. Okay, let's just apply it to the wolf. Just click on the pad that you want to apply this item to. Okay, let me click on the pad. Okay, and the Smith treat has been applied to my pad. Wait, let me show you. I have applied the pad Smith treat, I mean, to this wolf. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get and use the the Smith treat in Grow Garden game of Roblox new smithing update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.